Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up and that notification bell so that you know when I drop my vids. So this package is coming from Eastbay, and actually this is a pair of sneakers I picked up on release day. But somebody offered me a price that I couldn't refuse, so I sold it and actually ended up picking this up again since I know I wanted this shoe. And I know to some people these are bricks, you know, and I guess a lot of people buy stuff now just because it's hyped. It's not, and not because they like it. So it is what it is. But I do like this shoe, and especially when I already saw it and I saw the quality on this shoe, I knew I had to grab it. So again, it's coming from Eastbay. So there's the shoe right here. You know, these are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. These are the Jeter lows, size 10, and suggested retail is $200. So as you can see, it's got that special box to it, you know, which I think is very dope right here. And in the packaging, again, you got the black paper and then the white paper and then the shoe themselves. And again, to me, this pair is a dope shoe. And I am a Yankee fan, so I had to grab them. So here's just a quick look at this shoe. You got this bottom, you got the Jumpman right there, you got the carbon fiber, and then you have this upper, which I think they did a very nice job on it. You got this suede material to it, in blue. You got Jeter's number 2 right there. You got the little Jumpman, and then you got the shoelaces are similar to basically like, you know, the baseball glove. And then you do have an extra set of laces right there in blue in the bag. Then you got respect right there on this shoe. And then you got the Jumpman and Jumpman Jordan on this one. So, and then you got the respect. And then you do have the plastic shoe tree inside right here in blue. And then you got, again, on this one, you're gonna have the number 2 instead of respect. So, but yeah, again, to me, these are dope. But then to some, they're bricks because I guess there's no resale value for them. So in like the shoe game, I guess the shoe, you know, community now, or whatever you want to call it, if there's no resale value on the pair of shoes, they're trash. But again, most people are buying shoes now just because of its hype and, you know, just to resell it. There's not too many people buying shoes because they like the shoe, which I think is pretty sad. But yeah, most people are just buying shoes now just to resell. So again, it is what it is. But yeah, just buy what you like. You know, but again, dope shoe in my opinion. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.